everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm doing a review on a silicone rubber mat for the glass top stovetop. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get it open and see what we have. It's super simple to install about this silicone mat that you can use on the stovetop. You can also use it as a hot pad. Like, let's say you're having a big party and you have to display a whole bunch of hot food on your dining room table. This would help. I really like how this fits. It fits perfectly. I have a lot of heavy cooking ware that I use. So having this silicone mat really helps me just have a peace of mind that I won't crack the top of my glass top stovetop. This silicone mat does measure almost 28 inches by almost 20 inches. And the silicone feet on the bottom really help distribute the heat after the stove has been on. This silicone mat is pretty cool because it has a lip in case you spill something. I really like the feature that this silicone mat was easy to wipe down and to dry off. So if you're ready to maximize your kitchen space and really protect the top of your stovetop, this is the mat for you.